is getting married and sis is not gonna wait until 2 weeks before our wedding to start running after spas in Lekki to fix her skin. Sis might not even be getting married, but sis needs to start following a 7-step pamper intensely moisturizing, body softening, lightening, whatever you want to call it now, intense care to maintain our body. First, you need to learn how to pre-cleanse. Pre-cleanse. Every time you go to the sauna or the spa, there is something that they do to your body first of all. And you might be thinking, okay, why are they doing this? It is called pre-cleansing. Pre-cleansing is just a way of getting rid of the top layer of dirt that is on the surface of your skin, the sweat. It is not to get any deep kind of cleansing done. No, it's just to get rid of the sweat and the dirt. Now, for pre-cleansing, I've been using the Olay bar pain soap. I think this one is about 400 gram or 300 gram or so. No, 100 gram. I'm not really sure right now, but this one is the one that I've been using. Now, the aim of pre-cleansing is not to suck out the moisture that your skin has. No, it is to make sure that as it is cleansing your skin, you are also staying moisturized. You have to use a product that is very, very hydrating, moisturizing, and also going to foam a little bit to get rid of that dirt from the surface of your skin. This particular product right here is the one I've been using. I absolutely love it. I've raved about it over and over again. The Dove Creamy Bar Soap also works if that's what you can get your hands on. It's just a mild pre-cleansing soap. Now, I would encourage that with all these steps, make sure that you're going in with lukewarm water because that is the only way you're going to get that ultimate spa-like feel. And if you want to put the icing on the cake, light up a candle and then just keep it somewhere, allow it to burn and let the smell just saturate everywhere so that you can actually feel really, really pampered and get that ultimate spa-like experience. The next step when it comes to this intense body care routine is what? Your shower gel. You know we've pre-cleansed. Now we are going to go in with a shower gel. Now for the ultimate spa-like experience, you can use a body loofah, a body brush, or even a sponge if that's what you have. Make sure that you use your shower gel sparingly. Don't use too much, just soak and lather it all over your body to give you that intensely pampering feel. The aim of this step, this second step, is to keep your skin soft while also still cleansing. Okay, we are working on pampering and softening instead of what? Just going about it the absolutely rushing way that you would if you were rushing to work or something. I've been using the Olay shower gel. I keep it within Olay, but I'll tell you guys where there is a break. This is the shower gel that I've been using for a long period of time now. I absolutely love it. Go into the next step, which is what? Your first body lotion. We are going to be using a series of body lotion and treatments in this particular extremely intensely pampering skincare session. Now, the first body lotion is just to add back hydration and moisture to your skin. If you have St. Ives, this particular one with orchid and coconut extract, I absolutely love it. My Olay body lotion finished. I couldn't get another one, so I used this one instead. This body lotion is just something mild, honestly so lightweight. If you're not careful, it can even disappear into the environment without you even knowing that you've used body lotion. But I love how soft it makes my skin feel. The aim of this skincare routine, especially this step, is to preserve the softness and to moisturize the skin. Now, the second body lotion, Vaseline Gluta Aya body lotion with vitamin C, UV filters, hyaluronic acid, is incredibly beautiful and pampering on the skin. The reason why I use this as the second body lotion in my intensely moisturizing skincare routine, especially for my body, is because I want to brighten up my skin a little bit without actually lightening it up. I want something in between. So I go in with this body lotion after the St. Ives. You can call me excessive, but this is what I do when I just want to feel extremely pampered. This body lotion, this particular one, has UV filters, a lot of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and a host of other ingredients that just makes the fragrance beautiful, lightweight, non-tacky, non-greasy on the skin. I absolutely love it. After this body lotion, you got it, we would be going in with our body blending oil. The body blending oil is just going to ensure that your skin is even, your elbow is even, your knuckle is even, everything is even. And this is the stage at the spa where they just allow your skin to feel super pampered. They use body oils on your skin that has a light fragrance, just so you can feel well taken care of. After your body oil, we come to the last step in your skincare routine, which is SPF. On days when I want to feel extremely pampered, I use SPF from neck down. I do not skip any parts because I do not trust the sun. Okay, so I go in with SPF all over my body. If you're wondering, Eniola, you skipped physical exfoliation. No, I didn't. The reason why I didn't arrange physical exfoliation in addition to this 7-step skincare routine, it is actually part of it. But the reason why I didn't expressly talk about it before is because I saved it for the last thing. You can't use your body exfoliating scrub every day of the week. No, no, no. You want to make sure that you're using your physical exfoliant twice a week all over your body except for the face. The one that I've been using is also from Beauty Prism, this Tree Hot Strawberry plus Sugar plus Shea Butter Body Scrub. I used this morning, and guys, I cannot tell you how good I felt. I just felt so good. I used my physical exfoliant after my shower gel for the ultimate what? Body care experience. Then I go in with the body lotions and all the other steps. So this is what I do on days when I want to feel extremely pampered as an incoming bride that I am. And even if you're not an incoming bride and you just want to feel extremely pampered at home, try this 7-step skincare body care routine and your skin is going to thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Did I skip any step? Should I review more products for you guys? Please make sure you subscribe to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye guys.